Today's video is extra special. We're at the Ashford Train Maintenance Centre for Southeastern's Railway 200 Open Day, held right here next to Ashford International. Inside, we're going to see the Railway 200 Javelin 395015, the iconic Network Southeast Networker 465908, a load of Electro Stars, plus heritage classics including the Hastings Diesel Thumper and the Bluebell Stepney locomotive. So it's a real mix of modern high speed and classic heritage all in one place. So enough talking, join me as we take a look around.
Right.
It's East Sussex Railway.
Yeah. Older than all of us. Oh, I see the 465.
Oh, it's 908.
Yeah.
I spotted that in Evergreen the other day.
Oh, it's another one over there. That's a 466.
Oh, 466.
Yeah.
There's a 377, a 375. Do you have a look at this?
Let's go in here first, shall we? 'Cause it's quite busy.
I wonder if you're allowed to go in.
Look at that. It is, isn't it?
Chris Green.
Yeah.
They must have just cleaned this.
It's weird being at this angle, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes, that's right.
This is the refurb one.
Yeah, it's a refurbished.
They've got
but-
new door buttons as well, I noticed.
Yeah, new door buttons, but they've only refurbished the outside. They haven't done the inside.
Yeah. They do plan to do the inside though.
Hopefully they do, because the inside is very outdated with the Conics interior.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
That is a gorgeous livery.
It is. It's my absolute favourite.
It
100%.
would be even better if it was in the completely original, but it is what it is.
Yeah.
This is good.
What's the inspection? It's so clean. There's the 376.
376.
I really like the new repaint.
Yeah, it does look nice.
It looks a lot better than the old one.
I did like the old livery, but I think it was only good in its time.
Oh, look at that. They've got it lifted and the nose open.
Yeah, they've disconnected the bogies, look.
Yeah. It just pops out. Look at that.
What do you think of this angle here? It looks
that's
so
good.
weird, doesn't it?
I'll get a photo of that in a minute. No. These have got the motors in them. These have got motors in them, these ones.
Yeah. Can you see how much bigger they are? That's good though that they have thousands left because they're going to need those. They're
Yeah.
really going to need those.
assuming this you stand on, just to access the front.
Yeah. Can access the nose.
Yeah, good old nose.
Pops out down the coupler. Do you see that little model steam train in there?
Where?
Look, inside the.
Oh yeah.
That is weird.
Look at that. Zoom in on that for you.
Okay.
All the way in the nose. Got a warehouse over there with all spare parts, I assume.
Spare parts.
Cables. I don't know any. Oh, those are couplers, isn't there?
They're parts of the couplers, yeah.
Couplers, yeah.
They've got all kinds of spare parts there. Not to be moved some, because the train has to be completely still.
Yeah. It's kind of their version of lockout tagout, isn't it? And there's a basement as well, so they can go and walk underneath the bogies.
They actually walk underneath.
I mean, look, it's so weird, isn't it?
Yeah.
It looks like
You'd never see a train in this sort of angle.
in the middle there's like that must be the main locking thing.
Yeah, and then there's locking things on the sides here.
And I assume they just connect power in air and off it goes.
Yeah. I think there's one lock at the top, and then there's two locks on the bogies there, because you can see on the end of the bogies.
Yeah.
There's more locks there.
Where'd you go? Apologies.
Oh, that's alright.
Where'd you go? I went up to the office on the salad. Did you?
More spares. Tools.
Warehouse side.
Bogie drop. It's a long way down there.
It's a bone drop thing.
Yeah. So that's where they store them, basically.
This is basically where they store a bunch of spare parts. It's like the warehouse area. Yeah.
Some more
These
info.
are incredibly high-powered lifts.
Oh yeah.
Each lift can actually lift 15 tons.
Yeah. And there's 20 of them.
There's 12 of them in total.
Ah, okay.
There's more parts of the warehouse on this side.
Yeah. Cool stuff.
I think these are all the sections.
Look at that light there, look.
Oh wow, what is that? Even more stuff on pallets. Got some parts here. I think these are
Tackles.
I think these
paddles.
are. I think these are parts of the sleepers for the.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are the track sleepers. Or parts of them.
It's funny, isn't it? As you get older, you enjoy it less and less, don't you?
There it is over there.
That's
That's the Railway 200 one.
Sanders too.
Yeah. So they literally just. Yeah. The new Javelin logo and repaint.
The new Javelin logo looks okay, but I prefer the old one.
I think it's just because we're used to.
Yeah. Honestly though, it could look a lot worse.
And this is the Railway 200 decal here. Quite nice actually.
377.
Yeah. They've washed this one as well. It's very shiny. They've washed this one as well. That's a good photo with all three of them. Or even all four of them.
See, only 29 units, that's not. That's only 14 12-car trains.
Yeah, they could do more than that. Look at the wheels on that.
Yeah. They're a lot higher spec than they look.
Right.
They need to be because of the high speeds.
Let's start, if we go left again.
Sorry.
Nice.
I didn't know they repeated this into a season.
What one is this? A 73?
73, yeah, 73, 128.
I've not seen one of these before.
This was built in 1974.
Sorry. See a Stepney over there. Hidden away.
Stepney from the Bluebell Railway.
Yeah.
This is how each bogie has 3 wheels per side instead of 2.
Oh yeah. I actually didn't notice that until you pointed it out. Track. What do you call one of these? It's like a
That's
track
a
care train.
Class 98. The yeah. Train. Yeah, that is a class 98.
Yeah, look at that. Spring module. There's another seat in there.
You've got an old Mark IIA carriage there.
Class 69. This one's got three wheels on each side again.
Yeah, this one's got 3 wheels as well.
Pullman rail cars.
That's the Hastings Thumper.
Yeah, the thumper.
We've got a 707 to 395, 375. Alpha V2 place 20s.
They're funny looking, aren't they? The
Transport.
drivers at the back on the side is quite
That's a very
odd
American
style.
looking.
Yeah.
I think it's to go in the cab.
Oh yeah.
It might be going in the cab.
Yeah. That is a long ass queue. I think it's the same with this one.
I'll go on this week. They'll be the same. They're not going to
Yeah,
be.
but there's a queue for this one as well.
Yeah, but this one's a lot smaller. Suburban trains in the
Yeah. We're waiting for the thumper.
Yeah. Yeah.
the engine through there.
Right, here's one old logo right there.
This is a 1950s train, I think.
Yeah.
She loves old trains.
Air pressure gauge.
Yeah, I think so. Yes, the other three are at Tunbridge, and our other 4 cars are at the Bluebell.
But when I was working,
nice.
Few in, I think. Oh, look at this. Those are some proper seats.
Look how comfy these are.
Let's try it. Oh yeah, it's like they got springs in there.
You can feel the springs.
Yeah. Oh, is this first class? Get flowers, curtains.
This is first class.
This is very fancy.
Just like, as long as I ain't doing much, then that's it.
This is a proper first class experience right here.
Yeah, and when my mum got drunk,
Very comfy seat.
I didn't actually know how much I was drinking, but I didn't get drunk, I was just drinking.
Yeah, but the thing is, obviously, if your mum
Openable windows.
probably didn't realise how much.
But I also have my other family, I just didn't tell them. I just went what's lemonade? With their vodka.
Well, I've been at the temperature increase is similar to the temperature outside this TSL. Oh, sorry, I didn't. What did you do for work? Oh, auditing.
More first class through here.
Even more first class.
I gather there was just one single grade of first class. They don't have like 2 levels.
Well, we're just making our way down. You have to go on the cab on the other end as well. Are they queuing for the cab on the other end?
They got toilets here too. Yeah, look at it.
God damn, that looks old. Slam doors.
You got even more first class over here, but it's quite a different maquette this time.
Yeah. I think this might be a queue for the cab again.
Yeah, this is the other cab.
Thank you.
Cheers, thank you.
Thank you. It's boiling. That's the one thing about old trains is that
No air conditioning on them.
although you could just stick your head out the window to get some air, but probably not.
It's not a class size 72. Class size 70.
It's not going as fast as it normally does.
No, it doesn't. Normally it goes 300 kilometres. That looked like 200 or something.
Oh yeah, let's try and get over there.
Concrete tiles.
Yeah.
That's one to go to. There's a 375 there. That's bound for Ramsgate by Kensington.
I don't understand
They divide at Ashford, don't they?
Yeah, look at the queue for that one.
That is huge.
Remind me, which carriages are those on the back? carriages roving about?
That's a Mark IIA, I believe.
Mark IIA.
The difference between a Mark IIA and a Mark IIB is the Mark IIA has the openable windows. Mark IIBs don't have the openable windows. They have air conditioning.
Oh, alright.
But they are the same carriage length. Now that's going to speed.
Yeah. Yeah, points. Yeah. Yeah, the tail light's on there, it's flashing. Those must be battery powered, surely.
The where?
The flashing tail light in the window. See it?
Oh yeah. Yeah, those are battery powered. Because
They stick them on the end of like the freight carriages.
Yeah,
don't
you
they?
do. They're battery powered. But they flash to save battery.
Yeah,
I think maybe it's like a recharging battery or something.
must be.
Whatever.
Yeah, mobile maintenance.
Mobile maintenance train. Class 97. Got another gangway there.
Yeah. This looks like it opens up.
Yeah. Built in Germany.
Let's go right to the end. Massive, isn't it? The train wash is down there as well.
Sorry?
The train wash is down there.
Train wash.
All the way down there. You can actually just about see the sign for it. Just a cathedral. Let's have a look, shall we?
No, it's not a /6 because it hasn't got a pantograph. That's probably 714.
Look at the steam coming off that over there.
You can smell it from here.
It's lovely.
Gorgeous.
There's another 377.
There's a 466. Got another 377 there.
That's as close as we can get to it over there.
Yeah. Shame I've gone 467.
Because if you're stood next to a train on the ground when they put the horn on, you're right at ear level with it.
Oh, there's loads of them.
Look, that is a lot. Yeah, it is 714.
That's quite a nice photo there.
That is a lot of electro stars.
That's what I like to see.
Have you noticed the livery on the 377s and 375s is not actually the same? The 377s have a slightly more vivid shade of blue.
There she is. Oh! That hole.
That is one distorted horn. That was cool though.
There she is.
I only got a photo film of that. That would have been sick.
Don't worry, I got it.
Nice one, mate.
Yeah.
Metro Camel ones are obviously so much better, but they're sending those ones to be scrapped first.
Unfortunately, yeah.
But yeah, before you go, sorry, just before you... Have you noticed that the livery between the 375 and the 377s is not actually the same? The 377 is a slightly more vivid blue shape, or blue colour.
Yeah, they've been painted recently as well, so it'll be more faded on the older ones that we've had for ages.
But it's not actually the same shade of blue. That one's a more vivid shade of blue. That one's a slightly more faded shade of blue.
Remember that it's weathered. It's weathered though.
It is a little weathered, but they were actually painted around the same time. you know, the 466s aren't actually allowed to run on their own in passenger service.
Why?
Because they don't have a disabled toilet. It doesn't meet
I
the
see.
PSA requirements. So they have to be coupled to a 465 in order to be in service.
See if they can open one of the cab doors.
But I said that's But yeah, you can see that the 377 blue is a bit more vivid. The 375 one's more faded.
Yeah.
Send the steam train to go. She loves old trains, so she'll
Oh,
like
yeah.
that. Tampering.
Thank you. Afternoon, have you ever seen one of these working? Do you know what they do? So they lift the track and straighten it. I've got a little YouTube video if you want to have a quick look. I'm going to rely on your shadow because the sun is right behind.
I didn't know they straightened the track.
So you've got this disc down here. What that does, let me press play. It lifts up the track on both sides. So it lifts it up so that the ballast is exposed, and then these tamping tools come either side of each sleeper, and they vibrate at a really high frequency to push and compact all of the ballast under the sleeper. And the idea is, before this all starts, the line is surveyed and the computer knows how much each one needs to be lifted by. So it's all done, digitally, so to speak. But you have to operate for each sleeper. It needs manual operation. So these guys drive these onto site and then they'll operate the machine. I keep being asked, how long would it take to tamp one sleeper?
Seconds, 3 seconds, not long.
Not that long, but
Just go down, squeeze, and then come back up again. So it's like
what slows you down is that you're usually going along and it stops and starts, as it calculates each one.
These have only got like individual tools, so like you can see there's 4 on this side. Other tankers might have 8 tools on each side, so they'd be in pairs. So if you're on a bit of track where you're taking sort of more significant lifts, like anything over about an inch really, you might, with this, you would probably tamp each sleeper twice, so you go in twice per sleeper, which obviously slows it down.
Right.
great, thank you.
It's all right. So this is an older version of Balfour BT.
One over there.
So that's still
Which
in
in itself is actually quite old.
You got Balfour BTs. Those are tampings as well.
Tampers as well, yeah.
Yeah, they're like 2 of those put together. But fundamentally, the working part of it actually is that.
Oh, there's a bit of damage on there. Look at the water tank, it's a bit damaged.
Yep. There's the 466 over there.
Yeah, it's a shame you can't go on it.
Yeah, that is such a shame. If only you could go on all of the trains that you have on display.
Well, at least most of them. Good half of them. Except me. Unusual colours.
Yeah. I think it's really old. 50 years old.
My goodness. Older than absolutely everyone we know. Older than everyone we know.
1875, that must be built.
Oh, look.
Yep. Look at this beauty. London, Brighton and South West Railway. It just smells like old.
I love the smell of a steam train, you can't beat it.
It's so nice.
Especially when it's on.
Oh yeah. It smells old, but it's such a good. Like, that's what 1753 back to Network Southeast.
Done it again. Southeastern. Are there any freebies?
No.
Yeah, don't be shy about
Probably just the stickers then.
Oh, look at that. I like that.
Tea towel with all the locomotives.
Those socks.
Socks. Yeah, these are socks.
700.
700.
Got the only one I like on there though. Southern. Your favourite?
Yes, I will. Not my
Where's Southern's open day room? Squeeze past the line.
down the side. Oh, it's neat.
That's the main. Yep. That's one line. That's the other one we cover. And that's the Sheerness and Medway Valley as well. That's a nice line, that one.
I think I've been on that actually. It's quite nice. I did visit the Sheerness line.
Yeah.
It was called the. It wasn't called the Swell Rail Line. I think it was called the Sheerness line last time.
Then you got another. Got the industrial line there.
Yeah, I've seen the industrial line.
You want another one? You got one up here at Shepherdswell.
I had the Faversham to Dover one. That's part of the Chatham Main Line.
There's a Shepherdswell's got a sort of
Shepherdswell got Kenton East.
Kenton and Sussex out here.
Oh, the Tenterden line.
Tenterden one, yeah. And that's being extended from Bodiam out to Robertsbridge.
It's Robertsbridge to Tenterden.
Will be, yeah.
Oh wow.
By 2028, I think we'll finish.
Yeah, because Tenterden doesn't have any rail service right now.
No, but it used to.
Have it, yeah.
But then the beaching cuttings.
Tenterden, Headcorn, up the main line, through the hop line. Because the hops used to go up that way.
Yeah.
Very nice. Yeah, Shepherdswell.
This used to be in a Wick place in Ashford, but they shut the unit a while ago. Oh, look at that.
373.
I used to have Hornby train sets when I was little.
Yeah, I remember you.
Look how tidy it is. That's cool. With the right amount of zoom, it makes it look real, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Really? Yeah, really good.
The History Society's almost got rid of it.
Okay. I've probably got a box left.
You picked up a leaf for
Yeah,
that.
oh, okay.
Permanent exhibition.
I sold a load at Hornby last week.
You got your eyes on here?
This is like an American.
Yeah.
James.
Sleeper coaches,
Yeah.
old LNER carriages.
They're the model network I'd buy.
Rail, Tunbridge.
That
I'd
haven't.
love to get a model network.
Yes, that's it.
We've got a Southern Railway Mark 1.
I'm a team leader at Keyway. Tunbridge. So it'll be all.
There was an older Southern Railway coach. I could show all of them, but
There's a lot there.
we'd be here a while.
Now that the operator and that's really good to hear.
We will do.
Please do.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, some Featherston now.
Beddiston.
Yeah. Like I said, it was in town centre, but they moved.
Interest you in the leaflet? That's a permanent exhibition space in Bedleston. So you've got a selection of layouts, do teas, coffees, cakes, sausage rolls. I've got a 5-inch ride on, and in October we're expanding into a section.
Flowing engine. No, so this is
That's Ashford Station before it was rebuilt to Ashford International.
Yeah, look how different it is.
It looks like.
It looks completely different.
It looks like Red Hill or Tunbridge.
Yeah, Red Hill, definitely.
It looks so much like Red Hill.
If someone sees it today, it is.
But that used to be where platforms 1, 2, 3 and 4 are. Platforms 3 and 4 were rebuilt and then the new platforms 5 and 6 were built.
Yeah.
A character.
It's so weird. They've got Bluebird Railway here.
Stories there about lots of stories about India. One of the ones who went down to Prague with some what do you do? What did you do before? I've never done a proper job for he said, what do you do before you marry the Queen?
Yeah, but there's the Hornby bit as well.
Oh, the Hornby stuff. We could look
They
here.
got campfire
Oh,
rescue.
you smell the steam.
Yeah. Oh yeah, like that. Get up close with this. That's class 12.
12. 1949 to 1952.
Look at that beast. Certainly looks old now, doesn't it? Hang on. This is just southern. Look at those marks.
375. It's got the crap lights though. Maybe it's because it's narrow gauge. That's probably why.
Oh look, Josh. It's a Conne crane. It's a Conne crane.
Conne
yeah.
crane?
Literally, that is Conne. It's just Conne crane division.
It's a.
Oh,
Look at that. That's a modern one.
that's quite cool. That's
Those old slangle trains were the backbone of the railways in the south of
Yeah.
London before the Electro Stars replaced them. It's of an IET.
Is that a Gatwick Express thing?
No, that is not. That is supposed to be a Zulu.
Is it?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, you can. So you can. With our, so we've got our track bikes that will make essentially that layout, but of that size. So it'll probably be about
of that. Got the vanity.
There's lots of ways to do it. We could build it in sections so you can then just assign together.
It's tough. I don't know where the display actually works on that game.
Yes, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
We sell them on our website as well as all the scenery, building.
Switch.
All the document.
That's cool. Some more wheels over there. Some wheels over there.
That is so cool. I'm so glad we went here. That was so worth it.
Yeah. They got those rechargeable tail lights over there.
Yeah.
And we're underneath the Conne crane.
Conne crane.
Conne crane. Got more wheels. Oh, look how close.
Bogies.
You can touch that. Wheel. It's got like a texture to it.
Yeah. That is good. I think that's to help it grip to the railway.
Yeah.
So it doesn't slip. That's why it has that texture to it. To stop wheel slip. You can see though, they're just putting all the way across the shed.
Yeah, so that crane is movable. It runs along the I-beam there. Cool. It is.